Hello guys, welcome back to our techies, and this is iPhone 5s in my hand. And the problem is that whenever I turn on this phone, it's just stuck on or sometime restart after the red screen. So the Apple logo appears now. After some time, it will just restart on the red screen. So this is the problem which I mainly facing, the red screen. So after that it's again restarted. So this is the problem which I'm mainly facing with this iPhone 5s. So basically it's not a software problem. If you restore your phone, then it will not going to fix that. So basically it's a hardware problem. So you require, so first of all, turn off this phone properly with holding the home key and the power key for 10 seconds. And basically to fix that problem, you require some tools to open the screws, just like screwdrivers, a suction cup, and a try tool to open the touch screen of this phone. So basically this is my I'm fast forwarding this video, so I'm opening it with the screwdriver, and I already basically opened it many times, so I don't need the suction cup to push the screen above. So I just with a sharp blade I'm opening this screen properly. So while opening this bottom of this screen, make sure properly try to open that, because there is a ribbon of fingerprint sensor. So let me open it properly, and it's opening, and side of the phone properly open with the tool. Okay, it's open now. There is very properly open that, because there is a very small cable of fingerprint. If it's work or tear, if it means broke or tear, then the fingerprint sensor will be not work on your phone. So very carefully open that. So here it is, the cable. I'm removing the cable. So very properly remove it, and very carefully do that. Okay, now it's removed. So here I already removed this cable. So it's very thin and very soft, means very simple thing. Okay, open it. So now just okay, now after that, opening this fingerprint sensor cable, then there is on the very above that on, and there is a also some you need to open this finger means touch cable and LCD screen cable, and there will be three, it's tied with the 3 screws. I already opened this 3 screw to test this one. So you have to remove that 3 screw there, and after removing the screws, there will be found there the very first cable of proximity sensor cable or front camera cable, or works on that cable. You have to change or replace that cable, because if the cable will tear down or any problem on the just dropping of the phone, so at that time the that cable may be teared. So that's why the phone not properly worked. So you have to remove this cable. I'm just try to show you with removing it. So I am removed it, and this is the only cable. You have to change that. The cable is also available from online store or from the local store, both. So now let me turn on this phone. Let's see. Okay, now there is no, it seems no red screen on the phone. So let's see, is it working or not. Luckily I already tested it, so I know it will work. So okay, it's okay, it's on now. So as you can see, this is working. So basically this is the problem of proximity sensor or front camera means front camera cable problem. So just all this front camera or front proximity sensor or this front speaker all are on the same cable, so just replace that cable, it will definitely going to work on again. Your phone will be working again back, and this method will work on all the iPhones like iPhone 4s, iPhone 5s, iPhone 6. So work on all the phones. And while removing that, remove it properly. I also given you a video link below the description. Check out the description to open the iPhone properly. There is a description, means video in the description. So thanks for watching this. If you like my video, please click on thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.